Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on the Ohio George Montgomery's Muti-Maverick. This is an MPC kit, 125 scale. If you haven't seen the unboxing, please go back and check out that video. This is kit number MPC 1005, and it was released in March of 2024. I'm going to go ahead and get this one opened and parts laid out, and I'll get right back to you. Well, there are not very many parts in this kit, so it's going to be a quick build here, very basic. Still looks sharp. If I can find it, I will post a picture of what I remember as Ohio George Montgomery's vehicle. Hopefully I'm putting that up on the screen right now. And then I'm going to get on with the build of this one. So, like always, I will take all the pieces, take them off the trees, clean them up, get them ready for paint, and then I'll come back when I have something interesting to share with you. See you in a minute. Yeah, so far only 51 molded in white pieces. There's some chrome on a tree here that I have not opened yet, and the glass, and some decals. But actual molded in white parts, 51 pieces, counting the tires. So, alrighty folks, I'll be right back. So this kit's coming along. It's been a little finicky. Some of the parts are a little too small for my fingers. Only real issue I've run into so far is the hole on the rear axle is too tight for the rear axle to slip through. So I've actually had to drill with a larger drill through one side and then through the other to get the axle to fit. And then the backs on the slicks, there's a little hole on the bottom, and that hole also is too tight, so I had to drill that out. That's been the only real major hiccup so far on this build. Everything else, once you understand the fact that you can build the front end two different ways and you have the option to leave it loose and allow it to slide back and forth between this set of holes and this set of holes, and that's what the two different front fenders are for. Once you figure that out, then you can, like I did, I glued mine in place because I don't plan on, shifting mine back and forth. So it was a neat option, but not really necessary. But like I said, the instructions, I guess I haven't said, but I'm going to say it now. The instructions are very vague, pretty standard for MPC kits back in the day. They could use an update to make things a little bit more clear. Other than that, it's been a fun build, and it's coming along, so I will get right back on it here and see you in a minute. Well, there it is, folks. Ohio George Montgomery's Muti-Maverick, and this was a little challenging. I gotta tell you, the old MPC kit really played havoc on me. It was a little rough with them small little parts and a lot of chrome. Again, the instructions were the worst part of the kit. They just didn't make a lot of sense. This is the first time I'm building this kit. It came out decent. I went with a green with a gray, and I did this with no tape whatsoever. It really surprised the heck out of me. I held the body on a can, taped it, to a can, and just held it sideways and sprayed it from the bottom upward. And I had put the gray on first, and then sprayed the green from the sides with no tape, and it came out perfect. It was like, wow, that was really cool. And it even gave a green tint on the outer edge of the snorkel here, which I thought was pretty cool. So, that's another one for the box, or for the shelf, I mean. That was a Freudian slip, huh? Yep, I just put the decals on in that, so you'll see some water spots here and there. Letting it dry. The interior, the chassis and all that is pretty basic. The nicest part about this is the body and the shape of it, and the design of it. Thought it was pretty cool. Again, that looks like a Nova to me in the front, like a early first gen Nova, the 62 to 65, that generation. That's pretty cool. I may pick up another one day just to learn from my mistakes and try to do a little better job on it. But all in all, it come out nice. I'll put it on the shelf. Something to be proud of. Alrighty, guys. I thank you all for stopping by. Appreciate your time. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.